to my YouTube channel. Good morning, my amazing people. Good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. I remain your humble girl, Anointed Lady TV. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. And please, if you have not subscribed, kindly hit that red button where they wrote subscribe and put on the notification bell. The essence of that notification bell is whenever I upload any video, you will be notified. To all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for tuning in, and to my new subscribers, you are highly welcome, and God bless you all for watching. I will be right back.
My advice to all the cultists in Nigeria, mostly at those states, I just come out this morning at the paro. At the paro for all those cultists within Nigeria, mostly at those states. Now they fool on yourself. If you know say you be cultist, you dey kill your own fellow brother, you not get sense. If you know say you be cultist, you dey kill your own fellow brother, you not get sense. I just can't use the opportunity to advise all those people where they be where they kick up and down. Una not get sense. Now poverty they worry una. Imagine the cockability. What did they worry on herself? Una go jail court to the kill innocent people. Where be say government they there for that to use my unity. Come back together. Wanna go meet government. Wanna ask government what the government will take benefit to now. Now they kill each other. At the paro, not be like this morning, video I don't watch it yesterday, the way they kill innocent people for Benin. At the shame for all the cultists within Nigeria. At the shame for now. Okay, may I ask now one question? Una not be big men where they cultists. Like Davido now if he carry gun go keep person. Whiskey if he carry gun go keep person. Two-Face, not be cultist. He go fit carry gun go keep person. Una no people where they cultists where be say they wear. They fit carry gun go keep person. All those poor people where never see food eat. Mumu people. Your call say be cultist. No, they call cultist. Now illiteracy they worry all of na illiteracy. I want to tell you now. Aye, Bokanian, Maf, Arobaga, una dey craze, una not get sense. Which day una don't unite, una still call una self, say mo still do meeting, mo go meet government, say see wetin we, because una not viral. If you look the old cultists, don't be waiting that they had again. All the old cultists not viral. Which cultists they not? Even they get branch abroad. Come Europe, make us see the old cultists, they get branch everywhere. They get branch abroad, get branch everywhere for the world. Una don't viral. Una don't viral full everywhere. Still yet, una not use no sense. Mona gather together and say, okay, now let's go and meet federal government or state government. More demand something from them. What you go help? Okay, Mona look Niger Delta. Now you see Niger Delta militants. Now cut this the BO, but they're tight. They don't kill anyhow. If they want key, they don't say they want key. They don't kill anyhow. All those Niger Delta cultists. Does this not be cultists? Niger Delta militants, they be cultists. Just that they wear. All those local Benin people they say call themselves cultists. You all come out, you fly blue beret, come out fly black beret, cause the form say, my God, now poverty they worry you. If you don't make money, you'll know say this is why they tell you the truth. If you don't really make money for life, you'll come see and say, really, to even come and say you be cultist, the shame not let you try. You'll say na shame, na stain to your name. Na stain to your name. If they pay me say, some people you sit down, they know you get sense. Which day since na start that cultist for Nigeria? Which day of don't sit down? Aye, Mafat, Bokanian, Arobaga, no sit down and still do meeting for now. Say which day? You go join the cultist, say maybe enemy of the other court. You go join the cultist, make you be enemy of the other cultist. What do you make you join cultist? Say what do you make you join court? You where they watch me, what do you make you join court? You join court, make you go to kill the other person. Or you join court to make you deal. What do you make you join? I know you know. See what did they happen for those states now? Now see what did they happen for those states? Are you guys happy? When be say people you go for nowhere. Don't you go for nowhere. Say they be caught, it's going to keep people for those states. Now they happy? Now they happy? When people you go for nowhere. You're going to keep people for those states. Now let those states for they do killing. No go about, no go another place, no go north, no go kill people for north. We don't hear say people where they north. That's why they kill themselves for Curtis matter. We don't hear say people where they north. That's why they kill themselves for Curtis matter. Why business let those states? Why business let those states? Why those states? Where be say any small thing, don't kill better people. Where be say supposed to be better people in future. Una don't kill all of the finish. Eh? No one be president tomorrow. No one be governor tomorrow. All the name of Aye, Eye, Bokania, Mafat. Now don't kill everybody finish. Now God will the punish all of una. Now God will the punish all of una. Now they don't get sense. Big boy where they make money. Big boy where they make money. You know if you carry gun come and say I will kill a fellow person. For what reason? Now not even they drag money. Ask me to the cost quarter. If you go party now, that one say my girlfriend. You always body didn't like my girlfriend. Very nasty things where they cause problem. Not be money na they share oh. Na it cause problem. Not be money cause problem. What did they cause problem? Nothing. Since where cut is the fight for bill, we don't know what it cause problem. Before you knew they don't kill Sazua. Before you knew they don't kill Jacob. Before you know, waiting. Oh, wakire. Oh, what wakbe wakire. Bini people wakire. If you do, all the courts where they bini wakire. Oh, what wakbe. Una not get sense. Okay, see una leader for inside the courts. All those ones they go meet governor. Governor the tear money give them. May I tell you something? Aye leader, Eye leader, Mafat leader, Bokania leader, Arobaga leader. Their leader, they'll go collect money for governor hand. All these small boys will go they kill yourself. Una not get sense. Like me be now, all Kofra and my friend. If you come and say, man, don't play with this Kofra, or man, don't do this one, now God will punish you. You the craze. All Kofra and my friend. Are they mad? When did they stop? When did they stop? See now they kill everybody anyhow. Wait not they drag. Wait not they drag. Wait not they drag. You know the meaning of death? If you keep person don't finish, you are condemned the career. Financially, you destroy the life of that person. So yours they when you born, for you all know. If wife see the hospital, maybe the boy say want go see wife before you all know they say don't kill the boy. For what reasons? Which gain that they get? You don't kill 5 people, you say you rugged. Which gain you get? At the end you're hungry. You don't kill 5 people, you dey call yourself say you rugged. You rugged to kill 5 people. Which gain you get for that to killing that 5 people? You bam, you dey okay, you rich. At the end you go to smoke it for corner. No level for you. Big boys will never ever kill. They more than constantly big boys they do. You know they zoo up and down. I know they zoo. I bet when they share this video. I want me all the old cultists where they been. May they listen to this video. I beg all the cultists where they been. I want me to listen to this video. All their number one, all the leaders of the cultists, may they listen to this video. It's hard time for not to advance on ourselves. Why killing? Too much killing is too much. Why? If they pardon me, why? Where did they stop? None of you organize. All the leaders of the okay now, as we don't very rich now, nowhere they don't know the cultists. Call Europe here, call all the states for Europe. If they say cultists not, then I lie. All the states for Europe, cultists there everywhere. At the end, no benefit, nothing. They just they kill each other. Fool yourself up and down. Why? Why fooling yourself? You go join cultists, make for going to kill your old brother. What to make you join cultists? Maybe for going to kill your old brother, let make you join cultists. Now better thing be that. You go join cultists, make they kill your old brother. Now better thing be that. Your old brother. Hey God, I dey shame for Benin people. Wagyu magbane do walao, ivye do walao. Keke wariri aje do, wanaga cultists. Walwe wanegbuwa. The killing is too much. The killing is too much. Why? The killing is too much. Why killing like that? Which day all the Kofra still sit down, doesn't mean still do friend. One day, all the Kofra within Nigeria, all the Kofra within Nigeria go sit down. Say, okay, most still unite together. Waiting. When I join the Kofra, they kill each other. Those days when they hear back Kofra for peace, for unity. But now, not to the key. What? None of they go killing. None of they go killing. Why killing? The killing is too much. Why? It good maybe say all the number one, Aye number one, Eye number one, Bokania number one, Mafa number one, all the number one men. Mona come and call you, everybody come and call them. Mona call them. Now the craze. I don't get that this morning. What did they worry on now? No, not get sense. Mona got the next state. Mona got the rest state. Whether they suffer beneath, they suffer the rest state like that. Now, no. Wajare no like us. Mumu people. Mumu. Now, poverty they worry about. You know the kind of poverty where they worry wish. You get one video where I do wish they hear. I say all the wish where they Nigeria. No billionaire for wish. Now, never see billionaire for wish. Now, poor people they see for wish. That poverty life where they worry wish. Now they worry all those Curtis people. That poverty life where they worry all those wish. Now they worry all those Curtis people will be say they don't get future for their life. Where did they just get that to kill? Why? Why killing? Why killing? Why killing? No, don't get sense. So the boys don't rock more for Binico Europe. Still here the killing still take place. This was more rat when you wake up tomorrow. Not say you carry go the key. No, don't get sense. No, don't get sense. No, even come out. I even they blame guess where they friend of those boys self. Guess where they friend of now be wayward guess. Any guess will be say you see say your old guy now Curtis is the key. You still carry to they give him a fuck. You be a girl. Your body to disown you as a daughter. If all those boys don't see girlfriend friend, they go wise. They go wise. No, not too much. Where did they stop? Where did they stop? No get sense. See killing for Edo State, it be like war. Since then when be say war day, I never see say all the roads where they Nigeria or Edo State, Mona gather okay now let's go and fire government. No if you do anything. Now even people never they cut. Now they ever they do end process, end SARS, and I don't see where all those cuttings come at one day. All of now fly say okay. Don't you know say that this group, now you be this one, now this group will never come out demand for one better thing for since I was born. Since I was born, I never see all the countries for Edo State demand better thing for government hand. Not even they demand anything. Now just to the key. Is that a good level be that? None of you come and demand something for government hand. Say government, see what we need because not be waiting they had again. It don't vara. All the countries where they been it vara. Not only me say vara. Call Europe. Go anywhere for the world. You go America, go Holland, go London. Nowhere countries not there again. Not be waiting they hide. It's our time for we to sit down and reason say okay now. See what do they find, not by killing. The more that they key, the more the land of Benin they drawn and go back where not feel rich. If you don't say you get cultist, you see the key. Go back and say poverty will never finish your generation. You get cultist, you see the key for Edo State, you the key for any state. Poverty will never finish in your generation. I declare poverty to your life. I declare poverty to your life. Now me, your prophet. If you don't say you want to try me, you take cultist of Benin, you see the key. You don't use your country to do better thing. Many people say, since when this boy joined court, he level don't change now. Now big dude now. He's investing in so many places. Now people go join court the key. I declare right now, any country in Benin that is still killing, may poverty never finish in their ass. And the grace. Now me, your prophet, I want to destroy the countries of this world. I will destroy now with spiritual. Everything I did destroy now. I will destroy now. Wait till they stop. Now learn the rain. Now no get sense. Mona call Europe. All this Oyibo they get cultist. Now big boy level. And yeah, big boy level. Why Benin you come be killing. Imagine you say man not play with Aye. Man not play with this one. Man not play with this one. Wait till I go play with everybody. Go punish all of you now. When they share this video, I beg. When they share this video, me all of them they see her. Me they see her say I don't paro this morning. I paro. Hey, where did they stop? We don't know if you come out now. More use our cultists now. More take demand big thing for government. Huh? Now only the leader go to enjoy government. Only the leader. Now they go to enjoy government. Now only the leader of countries go to enjoy government. You know how much government they give the leader. Eh? All those leader of countries, you know how much those state government they give them. Eh? See all the countries within Nigeria, their leader, no much does the government they give them, but the local ones on their side, not to the key. The local ones on their side, not to the key. Why killing? Why killing? Why oh wow tena? Why oh wow tena? Why they want? Why zwa? I mean useless souls. I pity for the family. Now understand the joint court. All the area. No get sense. Where did they stop? This money, I dey vex this money for real. I dey paro this money. When I see many dead body yesterday for baby. Where did they stop? Hey, see dead body full everywhere. Now life be that. Now life be that. Is that one a better life? How can you go and join court and be killing your fellow brothers? You will be happy that we don't have burning 2-1, 4-2. Now they use you might be the cast cause. You might be the cast cause. Today, God, say God not they exist. Baba God, if you know you are existing, I declare poverty to their life. Now the grace. If God they exist, now go see him. What did they happen? Everywhere. Killing for Edo State. Everywhere killing for Edo State. Why? See, if you dey caught, you not respect yourself. Any girl where they friend you, my friend declare for all those girls. Because now those girls they give on a level. God, any girl at all, where you know say boyfriend, na cultist, and that boyfriend the key, and the girl still pretend they give her to me the fuck. Baba God, disgrace that girl. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ. God, any girl that sees boyfriend that is a cultist is killing in Edo State in anywhere in Nigeria, and the girl pretend to not talk to the government, to not go and expose that boy, and the girl keeps silent, God, kill that girl immediately. Because all those girls when are the friend, they know na secret. All those girls when are the friend, they know na secret. They need to go to tell government say, you be killer. And if the girls no go tell government, at the same killing, at the same that killing where they kill go return to all those girls. Vosunu, wajare. Mona they share this video at the parole. I beg Mona they share this video. So that means they see her. I don't know if I say cold they are the sweat. See my body. Cold then are the sweat. Because at the parole. Vosunu, wajare. Mona go Delta State. Mona see what they use. The community, government they pay community. And those states not get one group where we say, now I recognize the group now. Our government one regular. Our go ginya. No one. Aye ma your flag beret. Ba 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 ba. Aye your flag beret. Ba 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 ba. But even the game one where you see you come away they call they say be Zakis. Who are Zaki like me? Who are Zaki like me? Who are Zaki who? No get sense. No get sense. Our ladia, now you're the zuo. Girls, not even girls, go see soon put all of on yash. Now not get anything for us years. The girl see they happy, my guy get dread. You see them every day, open the boy you too. Now so someone that they drop for their dread. Not today their life. Now so someone that they put for their dread. So someone, you know what the boy you dread. Pull. Not barere. Not the day say not the day the brain. I pity those girls with the friend now. I pity those girls with the friend now. Because when I am kobo bia, it I am kobo who many okobo the guests, many okobo, there many for guests. Many okobo, many for guests. I'm your me again now. I'll the friend boy with the key, we not get money. Poor boy. We be say no even get money. Now the what I hear say don't go key. Now rogelit in one shop. Now rogelit in one shop. I pity the old guests. Mona they share this video. Because this money are the verse all the cultists. Why killing? The killing is too much. Why? Why killing? Why killing? The killing is too much. Why? Why killing? Why killing? The killing is too much. What did they happen, self? The killing is too much. Where did they stop? Mona they use no sense. Mona go America. Mona go see America cultists. The way they do their thing, very majestically and matured. Already do work in your way. Do work in your way. You just see boy when they go school. In every before you know they don't plan for a year. They don't plan for a year, conductor. Ozuo. Don't plan for a year. When you come out, they worry you. When they worry you. My brother, my company. My your company. Mona see what you want up. Mona, my company. Me one person go try. I know I'll kill you. But the way the hotel beat you. The way the hotel beat you. You not go die, but the way the hotel beat you. If you see Curtis, you best. Now you wait till they saw up. Well, really. Now not get sense. Now not get sense. If I see any kill you again, I will come out. Now we'll see what will happen.
Welcome back, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you love this video. And please don't forget to give this video a huge thumb up. Leave your comments below what you think about the video. Share, like and share the video. And one more thing, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please kindly hit that red button today and put on the notification bell so that you will be getting more updates from this channel. Alright, okay, my wonderful people, I remain my humble self once again, Anointed Lady TV. Until I come your way again, I love you all. Bye bye. Thank you very much for supporting me. Bye bye.